Hey guys, welcome to 5024 STEAM at Home. Today we'll be learning how to make tessellation art. For this activity, you'll need one piece of paper. I'm just using one paper. A pencil or something to write with. A pair of scissors. Careful with these. Some tape and another piece of paper. And it works better if you're using something that's more thick, like cardstock. So I have this little square that I cut out. And now what we're going to want to do is connect these two corners with a line, and we're just going to make a design. So you can make it as complicated as you want or as simple as you want. Just go wherever your heart takes you. Very carefully, I'm going to cut out my design with scissors. Make sure you keep this little piece intact because we're going to need it later. Now that I've got my little piece cut out, I'm going to move it to the other side. And we're just going to tape it. Now we're going to repeat the process, but with the bottom. So just draw another design. Make sure that it connects to both corners. So we're going to slide that over to the other side. Put another piece of tape. So to start off with your tessellation, you're going to want to put your little piece of paper somewhere on a piece of blank paper, and you're just going to want to trace it. So now that you've got that traced, you can slide your piece of paper up. In math, we call this translation, so that it lines up with your other tracing. So now you're going to repeat this process until you have a pattern. So you're just going to keep making translations and tracing them until you filled your entire sheet of paper. So you're probably thinking, this is really cool, but how does it relate to math? So tessellations are often seen as the link between art and math. The reason for this is because tessellations have been used historically to make things like mosaics, tiling, wallpaper, a lot of cool things. You're using mathematical principles such as rotations, reflections, and translations to make a repeating pattern. So here's the finished design. You can color this however you want. You know, if you ever thought, I like art, but I'm not so sure about math, you can see that there are plenty of links between the two that you can explore on your own. Catch us next time on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on all of our platforms. I think this one is going on the fridge.